Faoi stúr an manistúir nua Keith Rossiter deir le Lochgarman co-scóra all ar éigean an tatan scata le cús an nómtí deirig. Bhil is dulling í bhálaí a bhain ardú céimeach nurig nuair a chaidir go donna a gine fertláirige. Conas mar bheith an dá sean naide seo a chuig go lein am out dód an sra Allianz. Bhí Brian Tyres agus Diarmaid Ling i Lochgarman don léir seo.
Back to get Charlie Mitchell, had to shoot to get Charlie, touched it or had a shit last night.
A dangerous smile, oh my God, she's a wild child now.
Back is painted now again Mitchell.
I've been pushing through, I'm not the star of the story.
Time Counson could have had a shit last night to get Cian Malloy.
Missing you, I miss.
Nish, better count down a bit of attack. So, shut at fat.
The Baker love, Molina has in dear like stick on Bartco turning there Kayla.
Keep that in mind, these are the good old
Punch it there! Curran Leon! They get Brian Dignan! Nish in court the down of Edith. They get Charlie McGuckin. Sinead Turner scored again. Vermont Park is a turn the left. Seamus Casey, and the touch of Seamus Stig.
game of eight, tempting fate.
Porsche Creachnahe, Corham and Son.
Offaly just need to be playing the Wexfords, the Kilkennys and of this world, like so, and especially this time of the year. This is where we will learn. This is where these guys will find out, you know, if they're able to mix it with the top teams.
The red card for Jack was harsh there.
No, you grabbed the face, can I go and get a red? From looking back on her now, I thought it was a definite two should go together. I think the clip shows Jack is grabbed there as well. I think he's trying to fight him back away from his eye, to be honest with you. I think Jack is blinded at that stage, but that's my opinion on it. Everyone will have their opinion on it. Sean Stack can only see one side. Linesmen are there to give him the benefit of the doubt as well, but I don't know how that could be just a Wexford man at fault. That's be a Wexford manager or whatever it be. I didn't think so. I was just looking at the clip.
We came down here, the message all week was we're not coming down for crack. Very disappointing we didn't win that game. We look back on it, we feel we let that game slip. We probably should have pushed on and won that game. We're not here just to take part in these moral victories. We're here to win games. League is league, Division 1 hurling, that's where we want to be. We're making progress back home there and we want to keep pushing on.